Here's how to change iPhone wallpaper back to original. So changing iPhone wallpaper back to original is pretty easy and simple. Just watch the video till the end to exactly know what to do. First of all, go to your settings. And once you're in settings, here as you can see, what you have to do is basically scroll down until you see the option of wallpaper itself. Just press on it. And now what you have to do is just find the wallpaper. So if you don't have the original wallpaper, set it on. What you can do is just scroll until you see the option of new. Just press on the plus icon right over here, and now it will show you a bunch of wallpapers right over here. But what you have to do is just basically scroll down until you see the option of your own iOS. So here as you can see, I'm on iOS 18 right now and I get to see many wallpapers. So these are basically the original wallpapers that your iPhone has. So for me, I'm just gonna use this one right over here, and here as you can see, you can just basically press add. Once you do this, just basically press set wallpaper pair. Once it's done, here as you can see, now I've successfully changed my iPhone wallpaper back to original. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can change iPhone wallpaper back to original. I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye and peace out.